Hello everyone. The second Christmas dinner table recipe is chocolate truffle, and this truffle you can pre-cook and keep it in the freezer before 2 to 3 days. First, in a mixer jar I have added 2 packets of Oreo biscuit, and then I'll simply blend it into a fine powder. So here's the powder ready. Next, in it goes 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And then with my clean hands, I'll simply mix everything together into a soft dough. You don't have to add anything else in this dough. You can see this is the dough ready. So now I'll simply make small balls out of it. This way, using my hands, I am making small balls out of it. So the first one is ready. This way I'll make the rest of the balls. So it's ready. Now let's go to the next step. Next, I'm going to use some chocolate chips and make a chocolate syrup out of it. So in a pan I have added water, and in low flame I have added the chocolate bowl on top of it, and you have to keep stirring it until the chocolate is nice liquidy. So the chocolate has melted properly. Here you can see it is nicely melted. Now simply dip the balls in the chocolate syrup and coat it nicely. And this process you have to do with all your chocolate balls. And simply we are going to take it out and let it rest for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that the excess chocolate syrup comes out. Then after 2 to 3 minutes I have taken here some edible golden pearls, and then I'll simply toss the chocolate ball in it so that the golden pearls stick properly onto the chocolate balls. So here you can see how beautiful it is, and this way you have to continue the process with every ball. And here I have again some edible chocolate sprinklers, and this way I have made 2 different types of chocolate truffles. This you can preserve in your freezer and then serve it on your Christmas dinner table. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye for